Welcome guys, welcome back, welcome to DS from the Lifestyle Blog guys. So today guys, we're here in Stratford, Ontario guys. Yes, Stratford, Ontario. We are actually here in front of the Avon Theater here guys. Guys, actually this is the Avon Theater here in Stratford, Ontario. You know, the Stratford Festival. So this is actually where Justin Bieber had um, actually perform or used to perform when he were a kid, when he just started out, right? So yeah, so we have a whole bunch of different um, stars here guys. Yes, so we have stars award here guys, and take a look at that right here guys. Take a look at that right there. So if you guys seen it right here, yep, Justin Bieber guys, Justin Bieber. So yes, if you guys can see here, this is actually the Avon Theater here guys in Stratford, Ontario. So yes, so I just want you guys to know, so this is where we're at today here, you know, right up here guys, as you guys can see the Avon Theater here, right in Stratford, Ontario. So whenever time you guys want to see actually Justin Bieber, you know, if you guys ever come to Stratford, you know, you gotta come on the Stratford Festival, and then that's the time that you will see him here guys. I always perform here, you know, on the Stratford Festival, and that's the time that you can see him, right? So yes, as you guys can see, you know, the stars them here in the ground here. So yeah, so he is actually one of the newest actually stars that they place in front of this theater right here, right over there. And this is actually where we used to sit right here guys, if you guys can tell, right where they put the star right there. This is where Justin Bieber used to sit here with his guitar guys, and he used to perform here for the people as they walk by guys. Yeah, as a little kid. So yeah, this is where we at right here guys, you know, beautiful downtown Stratford, Ontario, Canada, home of Justin Bieber, you know, born and raised here, you know. So yeah, so this is it guys, this is the downtown core, you know, this is the downtown core of Stratford, Ontario guys. So yeah, this is where we are today, you know, right at the Avon Theater. So we're gonna go show you guys a little bit more. The little streets here guys. So this is like a square. This is a little square right here guys, with all the shop, you know, some icon buildings, you know. So yeah, so just really remember guys, like, share and comment the DS from the Lifestyle Vlog. Tell a friend, if you tell a friend, that we are doing great over here guys. So yes, home of Justin Bieber guys. So yeah, so stick and stay guys, and I will show you a little bit more, footage of Stratford, Ontario here in Canada guys. So yes, so they stick and stay guys, stick and stay. All right, yes guys, welcome back guys, welcome back. So yes, still here in Stratford, Ontario here, you know, down by the water here guys, down by the water. So yeah, I just want to take you guys and show you guys how beautiful down by the water here is guys. Very beautiful. As I said to you guys, all these little boats that you see here guys, you can rent them, you know, for an hour. I was talking to the gentleman a while ago, and he said that thing, those little yellow ones there, yellow and white ones there, they're like $30. That's included taxes. For an hour you can go there on the water, you know, it's like a paddle boat, you know, or you can take the pontoon one over there, you know, with the engine there. Somebody steered it, or the captain is on board, and you can sit there, and then you can go for a ride out there in the water, guys. As you guys can see, you know, the activity, you know, everybody is having fun. Very, very beautiful, very, very, very active place, you know. So you have my son over there, you know, and then we have Sue and baby boy there. So yeah.
Oh, that water is dirty.
So yeah, so this is where we at right now, you know. This is where we at. Sue, take him on top of the bridge over there, please, because he can't go into this water here. So yeah, there you guys have it. So if you guys can see there, very, very, very beautiful, guys. Yeah, man. Very, very, very beautiful. It's a nice day. You know, if you can see little kids them out there. You know. I asked my son if he wanna go on there, but he says no because the water look too dirty, but you know, that's his personal choice. If he doesn't wanna go, it's all good by me. So yeah, then we have right here, we have like a little dam here, guys, that control the water, right? As what Sue were asking me, if it doesn't get overflow, because you know, and I told her no, because they control the water, right? So that's what the section there is, you know, that they control the water there. So yeah, very, very little busy place here on Labor Day weekend. Labor Day long weekend, guys. You know, very, very beautiful town also too. Very iconic town. There's a lot of stars that risen from this little small town here, including Justin Bieber, right? So yeah, very, very beautiful. So right down here, guys, you know, right down here, I think I'm gonna take my son here for him to go fishing for a little bit. As you can see, those two guys down here, they're fishing, right? So yeah, okay, this is what we're gonna be doing in a bit from now, but I'm just catching a little footage before we started the fishing, right? So beautiful. Yeah, man. So this is it, guys. This is it. You know, this is our Labor Day long weekend, you know, adventure, road trip. So beautiful here, you know, very, very beautiful spot. Nia, you wanna go fishing?
Yes.
So you may have to go grab the one of the fishing rod out of the van, and he does grab mine and one of the worm, and then you can come, because I'm not gonna, I don't think I'm gonna go. I will just catch you fishing. Let me give you the key here. So yeah, I don't lock the key in the car. So yeah, and then you have like a pool section over here, you know, for the kids also too, guys. You know, nice, beautiful, but I don't know if it's open. I don't think it's open because I don't see anyone over there. So yeah, can't get better than this, guys. Can't get better than this, you know. So yes, guys, so they stick and stay, guys. Stick and stay, stick and stay.